all, it's just me, Rapidfire Rachel here. Got a little bit of yard work on the to-do list. Our field's been overgrown with pesky pines and we're losing our sight line. So before you know it, the raptors are gonna be sneaking up on the house. Let's get to it. You ready? This bush hook just ain't cutting it. We're gonna try to make things a little more fun. We'll call this a 12 gauge tree removal, using environmentally friendly steel shot, of course.
Okay, try this one, it's tactical. Empty chamber, loaded magazine tube.
Thanks, Dad.
Try the chainsaw on them. There's too many of them for this one at a time, and here you can mass communicate with this one.
Be very, very quiet. We're hunting pine trees. I think we're gonna need a bigger gun. Thanks for watching. Hope you all had as much fun as I did. This definitely made yard work a lot more fun. If you liked what you saw, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot more fun things in the future.